Y'all, I'm gonna share with you my little 1-2 punch secret for healing scars, stretch marks, burns, you name it. This is not sponsored. I buy these myself and I love them. As soon as the injury, whether it was a surgery or a cut or something, or a burn or a stretch mark, as soon as it's healed, meaning it's scabbed over and the scab has come off naturally, during the day, I keep it moist with this Cleganic vitamin E oil. It has this handy thing, so it's just really easy to get that on your skin. Feels nice. 30,000 IU, amazing. This lasts a while and it's budget friendly. And then overnight, I use silicone scar tape. And as you'll see, I just cut it to size. You can keep reusing it for a while too. So for example, I just keep a random piece of tape so that it doesn't unroll in my drawer or my medicine cabinet. Let's cut it down to size again. So the brown part is what's gonna go over the scar, the stretch mark, you name it. Again, make sure it's already done with the scabbing. Otherwise this might peel the scab off and then that'll like give an extra scar. So don't do that. Wait until it's like starting to heal. And then you just peel that off. Save this because when you take it off during the day, you can put it back on there and that's gonna keep it clean. So you can keep reusing this for a while. And then you're just gonna put this on. I don't really have any scars at the moment, but you can even use these for wrinkles. You know those frownies? This is basically what they are. They're just pre-cut for the patch of skin where you're gonna use it, for example, your forehead. But if you wanted to use this much more budget friendly, you can do that. And then you would just cut it to size. And just for example, we'll just put it up here. Just to show. So then it sticks on. It even kind of, I could just wear it. Nobody would even know that's behind my bangs, honestly. The silicone, I don't even know what it does, but it supposedly helps to heal the scars. And in my experience, it has a great ability to do so in a very affordable way before you go to laser treatment and stuff like that. Give these a try. Anyway, you don't want to leave it on too long. You're gonna kind of build up to overnight. You're gonna start with a couple hours. It does stick, but there's no residue at all, none. And then, as I said, you can just stick it back on here during the day or whenever you're not using it, and then you can just use it again and again. And when you finally like get one dirty enough or whatever, then you just cut a new piece. This thing is so long, it lasts forever, as does this, but this is a great combo. Highly recommend it for scars, incisions, injuries, stretch marks, burns, you name it. Amazing.